Hello and welcome to Odisha Post Live. This is Purnima presenting the news headlines of the day. Due to the steep hike in diesel prices for the last couple of weeks, the Odisha government hiked Monday the fares of all categories of buses. The fares have been hiked under the automatic fare adjustment mechanism. Sources said the fares of ordinary buses have been increased by 6 paise per kilometer, while that of express buses have been hiked by 7 paise per kilometer. Union Culture Minister Prahlad Singh Patel Monday ordered the National Monuments Authority to withdraw its draft notification for Puri Jagannath Temple. The move came soon after Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, during his visit to Puri, demanded that the centre should remove the draft notification issued by National Monument Authorities for Puri Sri Mandir. A delegation of BJD MPs also met the Union Culture Minister in New Delhi in this regard, demanding withdrawal of the controversial bylaws. Eighteen new guests arrived at Nandankanan Zoological Park in Bhubaneswar Sunday afternoon from Aizawl Zoological Park in Mizoram under an animal exchange program. With this, the NZP has added 18 more number of species to its wildlife members. The proposal was approved by Central Zoo authorities under Section 381 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 for the purpose of breeding, pairing and conservation of wildlife, an NZP official said. After a long gap of over 10 months, students of class 9 and 11 returned to their respective educational institutions Monday. Physical classes at school and colleges remain suspended for over 10 months owing to the COVID-19 pandemic. Camps and programs are being organized from time to time to create awareness among people on how to take care of people with mental illness. There are also laws concerning these patients, but it seems that they are of little help. In a major crackdown, 3 smugglers of wildlife body parts were arrested in Keonjhar Sunday. Acting on a tip-off Sunday, a team of Special Task Force of Crime Branch conducted a raid near the RTO office in Keonjhar district. At least 4 persons suffered critical injuries after the bus they were travelling in overturned on National Highway 57 near Kutabanda in Bodh district in the wee hours of Monday. The remaining passengers on board had a miraculous escape. The induction ceremony of the first 5 Rafale jets at the Ambala Air Force Base September 10th last cost the exchange a little over of Rs 41 lakhs, including Rs 9.18 lakh GST, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said in Rajya Sabha Monday. The first 5 Rafale aircrafts of IAF were formally inducted into IAF on September 10th. The arrangement for this event were made mostly through local resources of IAF. The total expenditure on the event was Rs 41.32 lakh, including Rs 9.18 lakh of GST, he said. The government has ordered Twitter to block 1178 accounts with links to Pakistan and Khalistan supporters, which were spreading misinformation and provocative content on farmers' protests, sources said. India faced uphill task chasing a winning target of 420 runs. India were 39 for 1 at stumps on the 4th day of the first test against England in Chennai. Shubman Gill and Cheteshwar Pujara were at the crease. The only wicket to fall was that of Rohit Sharma. Earlier in their first inning, India were bowled out for 337. In their second inning, England were dismissed for 178 with Ravichandra Ashwin taking 6 wickets. Ishant Sharma achieved a personal milestone by becoming the 6th Indian bowler to take 300 test wickets. That's all for today. You were watching Odisha Post Live. To stay updated, stay connected to Odisha Post Live.